Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Cloud Vision AI to label images in bulk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Cloud Vision AI to label images in bulk, first, you need to create a Google Cloud account. Visit the Google Cloud website and sign up for an account if you do not have one. Once your account is set up, log in to the Google Cloud Console. From the console, create a new project by clicking on the Project drop-down menu. Select New Project and fill in the necessary details. Once your project is created, make sure it is selected. Next, navigate to the API and Services section from the left-hand menu. Click on Library to find available APIs. Search for Vision API and select it from the results. Click on the Enable button to activate the Vision API for your project. After enabling the API, head to the Credentials tab. Click on Create Credentials and select Service Account. Fill in the required information for the service account. Once created, you will need to download the JSON key by clicking on the service account name. Store this JSON key securely, as it will be required for authentication. Now, install the Google Cloud SDK on your local machine, if you haven't already. Open your terminal or command prompt. Authenticate the SDK using the command Cloud Auth Activate Service Account followed by the path to your JSON key. Next, you'll want to install the Google Cloud Client library for your programming language of choice. For Python, you can do this using the command pip install upgrade Google Cloud Vision. Now you're ready to start labeling images in bulk. Prepare a directory with all the images you want to label. Create a script that will loop through each image file in the directory. For each image, use the Vision API to request label detection. You'll need to format your requests according to the API documentation. Analyze the responses to extract the labels generated by the AI. Save the labeled data in your desired format, either as a CSV file or in a database. Finally, run your script and monitor the output for any errors. After execution, review the labeled images and ensure the quality meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.